their job being properly detailing. Just want to show we already applied our solution to the brick here and scrubbed it, and we're letting it dwell. Just want to show you guys how when your brick has this soot stuffed in there that's been there for years, power washing will not get it out. It definitely needs to be restored, like we're doing right here for this brick. We went ahead and we applied our solution, we scrubbed it down, then reapplied the solution and let it dwell. And then this is the difference you'll see. As you can see, there's a couple spots we did yesterday as test spots, but just wanted to show you guys. Right there. That down. Pulling up all that dirt and grime that's been in there for years. Hold on, Barry. As you guys can see, that's what was on there. It's actually lighter now because the chemical was sitting on there. And then to this right here, just like brand new. Go ahead. He's in there and he's making sure and getting all that dirt and grime right out of there. We can restore your brick the same. You see here behind the gutters has always got that spot you could never get rid of, no matter how much you power wash it. Alright, I want to give you guys a bird's eye view of what I mean. So, just like this here. I see all the staining. It might lighten it up, but it ain't going nowhere. Power washing, no matter how close you get to it, it's always going to be there. But when we treat it with our chem, you guys see right here,